Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to an Acura ILX. First, make sure your Acura ILX is safely in park with the ignition on. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device and ensure it is discoverable by other devices. Then, navigate to the phone menu on your ILX's infotainment display to begin the pairing process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection, setting the stage for hands-free communication and media playback. Once in the phone menu, select the option to Connect Phone or Add New Device to initiate the pairing. Your Acura ILX will then search for nearby Bluetooth devices. From the list that appears on your car's display, select your specific phone. A pairing code will then be shown on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm that these codes match to complete the secure connection. This step ensures only authorized devices are linked. For an alternative or supplementary connection, you can use a USB cable. Simply plug a certified USB cable into your phone and then into the USB port located in your Acura ILX. Once connected, navigate to the audio source options on your infotainment system and select USB. This method not only charges your device, but also provides a stable connection for playing music and accessing other media directly through the car's speakers. It's a reliable option. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the Acura ILX's infotainment system can often resolve minor glitches. Another helpful tip is to delete any old or unused phone pairings from both your car and your phone's Bluetooth settings before attempting to connect again. For more detailed or model-specific guidance, always refer to your Acura ILX owner's manual. These steps usually fix most common connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.